Naghahanap ba kayo ng pagkakakitaan? Part-time work or small business para sa extra income? Why not start your own Relive business? With the low startup cost, pwede ka nang maging independent Relive distributor at magsimula ng iyong international business. That's right, dahil merong Relive market in 12 countries. Kasama na ang US kung saan nandun ang ating headquarters at manufacturing facility. Almost 4 decades na ang Relive International, member ng Direct Selling Association of the Philippines at nabigyan ng Seal of Legitimacy ng Department of Trade and Industry. Nakakasiguro ka na legit ang Relive business. As a Relive independent distributor, pwede kang kumita from 20% to 40% profit at mag-qualify sa mga cash bonus and trips. Hawak mo ang oras mo sa business na ito. Pwede mong gawing part-time or full-time. Pwede mo rin gawin sa bahay or kahit nasan ka pa, basta meron kang cellphone at signal. Hindi mo din kailangan ng business background or experience. Dahil merong subok na business plan at mahusay na marketing support para sa ating lahat. Kaya kung masipag ka at teachable ka, siguradong magiging successful ka. At ang pinaka-importante, the best ang quality ng Relive products. Hindi tayo mahihiyang i-share ito dahil clinically proven ang mga produkto at leader in cellular health and nutrition science ang Relive. Merong mga products para sa mga bata, adults, nagda-diet, athletic, vegetarian, at kahit ano pang lifestyle mo. Merong Relive na para sa'yo. Kaya wag nang mag-atubili pa. Join our growing Relive family and become an independent distributor. Get healthier, live happier with Relive!